take note of the date, December 17 at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. We will organize a new Theta Live that you don't want to miss. The topic this time, the will, covered calls and cash secured puts. Income strategies many of us trade, but as always, the difference is in the details. And to break it all down, we have invited 3 traders that you all know from previous interviews on this channel and who approach these strategies differently. The first guest is Paul Gundersen, who has done thousands of wheel trades.
The wheel strategy has produced very consistent income for me. Even on stocks that don't pay dividends, the wheel creates very reliable income. It's a fairly low risk strategy.
And we have Lowell with decades of market experience. He just loves selling puts.
The risk of ours is very low. I would put our risk in the 1 to 3 category on your scale.
And then we have Brian Terry, who runs the Conservative Covered Calls Facebook group.
To me, it seems to be a great income strategy. And I like trading options. I pretty much do that almost full time.
In this Theta Live, they will all present how they trade their strategies. But we will have lots of time for your questions. Ask about entry mechanics, when they take profit, what they do when things go wrong, how they manage their trades, or whatever you would like to ask these 3 great panelists. This is December 17. Check the link that you see on the screen and register to secure your spot. See you then.